Hello my dear students, welcome back to Biology at Priyojit. Have you ever wondered how did modern humans evolve? Who were our ancient ancestors? How did humans develop upright walking, intelligence, language and culture? In today's class, we will discuss comparative anthropogeny and major fossil evidence in humans evolution, an important topic for UG and PG zoology students, covering evolutionary forms from Propliopithecus to Homo sapiens, along with significant fossils that explain human origin and evolution. So stay till the end because this topic is crucial for examinations and understanding evolutionary biology. What is comparative anthropogeny? Comparative anthropogeny is the study of human evolution through comparison between humans, fossil ancestors and related primates. It helps explain origin of humans from primitive primate ancestors, evolution of brain size and intelligence, development of bipedalism or upright walking, changes in skull, teeth, posture and locomotion, emergence of tool use, culture, language and social behavior. Human evolution was not a straight line process but a branching evolutionary pathway involving many extinct ancestors. Timeline of human evolution. Now let us look at the major evolutionary stages. Around 35 to 30 million years ago, Propliopithecus appeared, an early anthropoid primate from Egypt. Then came Azotopithecus, that is 30 million years ago, with the monkey-like and ape-like features. Limnopithecus and Pliopithecus showing primitive ape characteristics. Proconsul considered one of the earliest true apes because it lacked a tail. Dryopithecus, a forest-dwelling ape and possible ancestor of humans and African apes. Ramapithecus, once considered a direct human ancestor but now linked more closely with orangutan lineage. The earliest hominids include Sahelanthropus takednesis about 7 million years ago, possibly bipedal with a small brain. Ororin tugensis about 6 million years ago, evidence of upright walking. Ardipithecus about 5.8 to 5.2 million years ago, transitional between apes and hominids. Australopithecus to Homo sapiens. Australopithecus known as southern ape. Characteristics include they are fully bipedal, brain size is 400 to 550 cc. They have large jaws. They are considered ancestor of genus Homo. Homo habilis or handyman, their brain capacity is 600 to 700 cc. They are first significant toolmaker. They are omnivorous and they have upright posture. Homo erectus or upright man, they have important developments like fully erect posture, brain is 800 to 1200 cc and controlled use of fire. They have better stone tool. The first migration outside Africa. Important fossils: Java man discovered in Indonesia by Eugene Dubois. Peking man discovered in China showing evidence of fire use and advanced tools. Heidelberg man, they have strong body, brain around 1200 cc, better hunting ability, possible ancestor of Neanderthals and modern humans. Neanderthal man, brain around 1400 cc, buried their dead, used tools, evidence of social behavior and culture. Cro-Magnon man, they are early modern humans, cave paintings and ornaments, advanced tools, brain around 600 cc. Homo sapiens sapiens, modern humans are characterized by high intelligence, complex language, agriculture and civilization, advanced technology and culture. Humans are the only surviving species of the genus Homo. Evolutionary trends in human evolution. Human evolution shows gradual increase in brain size, intelligence, tool use, social behavior, language development, culture and art, bipedal locomotion, etc. At the same time, there was gradual decrease in jaw size, canine teeth, body hair, and dependence on arboreal life. Major fossil evidence in anthropogeny. Fossils are preserved remains or traces of ancient organisms. Examples include bones, teeth, skull fragments, footprints, stone tools, cave paintings, etc. These fossils help scientists understand human ancestry, brain evolution, upright walking, tool use, migration patterns, cultural development, etc. Important fossil evidence: there are Sahelanthropus, skull, jaw fragments, teeth, ororin, femur and teeth indicating bipedalism, Ardipithecus, partial skeleton, pelvis, teeth, etc. Lucy, Australopithecus afarensis fossil discovered by Donald Johansen in 1974. Lucy is approximately 40% complete skeleton and provides major evidence for bipedal locomotion. Laterally footprints from Tanzania show early upright walking around 3.6 million years ago. Homo habilis fossil, skull fragments, hand bones, teeth, etc. Homo erectus fossil, skull, femur, stone tools, Heidelberg man, jaw and skull remains, Neanderthals, complete skeletons and tools, Cro-Magnon skeletons, cave paintings, artifacts, Homo sapiens, complete skeletons and cultural remains. Conclusion. To conclude, comparative anthropogeny and fossil evidence reveal that human evolution was gradual and branching rather than linear. From primitive primates like Proplyopithecus to modern Homo sapiens, evolution involved increased brain capacity, development of bipedalism, tool use, social behavior, etc., cultural technology development, etc. So fossils provide the strongest scientific evidence for understanding the fascinating journey of human evolution over millions of years. So if you found this lecture or this class helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends for more UG and PG zoology topic, comparative anthropogeny, evolution and anthropology topics. Thank you. See you in the next class.